last time we stopped here. Okay, how can we do this? I think question 38 we stopped on, right? We finished question 37, we finished it. Question 38, and I think they will not be deep question. It's really hard. It's not that hard, I mean, but I will not, I don't think that they will go that deep. You understand? I think they will. And the exam is going to be easy, but it's good to know how to do the thing. Okay. We have sine to the power of 3x cosine squared. I can write it the following way. Sine to the power of 3 will stay as it is. Cosine squared can be written as 1 minus sine squared x. Okay, dx. Okay, now multiply. This will be sine to the power of 3x minus sine to the power of 5x dx. Now you can find this, and you can find this by using this technique. This one. You understand? You can go by using that technique. The 3 will be sine and sine squared, and the 5 will be sine and sine squared all squared. Okay. Okay. The next question I will leave it for you. Okay. So we can go to the next page. We can go to the next page. Okay. I think you remember this. The first one. This is revision, question 1, 2, 3. I think to question number 6. They are all have been done before. The first one, it is integration of f dash over f. Right? So the answer is going to be ln f. What is f in this case? It is ln bracket x3 plus 2x plus c. Okay, the next question can be written like 2 8x minus 5 over 4x squared minus 5x. Now, of course, dx. This 2 will be out. Now it is integration of f dash over f. Why? Because now this is f dash and this is f. Right? So the answer is going to be 2 ln f. What is f? It is 4x squared minus 5x plus c. You got that?
Yes.
Okay. How about the next? This is f5 and this is f dash. And according to this rule, it will be f to the power of 6 over 6. What is f in this question? It is 4x squared minus 7x6 all to the power of 6 all over 6 plus c. Okay? Okay, see this. This is function to the power of 3. Is this f dash? What is f dash? F dash of this? It is 8x3 plus 10x, right? You can see this is 4 and this is 5, so it needs to be multiplied by 2. So when I multiply by 2 inside, I have to multiply by half out. Now this with the 2 is f dash. So the answer is going to be half. From where this half came? It came from when we added this 2, we had to add this half. So now it's going to be integration. Sorry, it is integration of f dash f to the power of 3. So the answer is going to be half f to the power of 4 over 4 equal 1 over 8, because 2 by 4 is 8, dot. What is f in this question? It is 2x4 plus 5x squared all to the power of 4, right? Plus, see, this is just revision. It is just revision, the things that we studied before. Question 5 and 6 also, we did them at the beginning of the lessons of the new lessons. After Eid, we started this. This is linear. It is linear expression to the power of 4. So how can we do it? By using this rule, by using the third rule. Okay. It will be 3x plus 5 to the power of 5 over 5 plus d. That's it. Question 6. Question 6 is, this is linear, but the question is...
يا أستاذ مش باقي 3.
Yeah, I'm sorry. 5, 3 here, yes. I'm sorry. So it's going to be 1 over 15, 3x plus 5 to the power of 5 plus c. That's right. Okay. The next. This is linear. But the question, is it raised to any power? Yes. It is raised to 6x minus 1 all to the power of 5 over 3 dx. Okay, equal. It will be 6x minus 1 all to the power. 5 over 3 plus 1, it is 8 over 3, right? Over 8 over 3 dot 6. We can cancel this 6 with this 3, still have 2. So the answer is going to be 1 over 16 bracket. I will not write bracket. I will directly write root. It is the cube root, because the 3. 6x minus 1 all to the power of 8 plus c. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, good. See this, the question number 7. Question number 7, this is f dash, but it is not complete. We need 3. We need 3 to make it f dash. We need 3 to make it f dash. So, if I add 3 here, I have to add 3 out. I have to add 3 out. So my question stays as it is. Now this is f dash. So this will be 1 over 3 integration of f dash over f equal 1 over 3 ln f equal 1 over 3, right? Ln What is f? x3 plus 2 plus c. Okay. The next, if you notice, what is the differentiation of the denominator? What is the differentiation? It is minus sign, right? Cosine 2x. What is the differentiation of it? It is minus sine 2x multiplied by 2, right? Multiplied by 2, which is the differentiation of the angle. So, if I add minus 2 here, I will have to add 1 over minus 2 out. Now, this is f dash, and this is f. It is equal to minus half ln f. What is f? 3 plus cosine 2x plus c. Okay. Also, this I can write it this way: e squared 1 over x over ln x dx. Can I write it this way? Because if I want to take this down, I'll get back to my original question. I can take this x down, so I'll get back to my original question. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is f dash, and this is f. Okay? So the answer is going to be ln f, ln x. Can you see that? So it is from e to e squared equal. I hope that you understood that question. Okay, this will be one time I will substitute e squared, the other time I will substitute e. It will be ln e squared minus ln e. Okay. Okay. This will be down. It will be down, right? So it's going to be ln 2 ln e minus ln 1, because ln e is 1. And I have 1 also here, right? So the answer is going to be ln 2 minus ln 1. What is ln 1?
0.
Yes, that's right. This is 1. This is 1. This is 0. Don't forget that. Minus 0. So the final answer is ln 2. The final answer is ln 2. Next question. See the next question. What is the differentiation of sine? It's cosine. What is the differentiation of cosine? It is minus sine, right? So as you can see, I can write it this way. If I do it this way, minus here and minus here, minus cosine x plus sine x over sine x plus cosine x dx. This step that I have done is correct, because what did I do? I just add this minus and this minus. I did nothing, actually. Now, what is the benefit? The benefit is I will take this minus inside. So it's going to be minus integration of minus cosine. It will be cosine x minus plus. It will be plus minus. Minus sine x over sine x plus cosine x dx. Now, This is f dash, and this is f. I think it is clear, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah.
Good, good. So it will be minus. All of those steps just to explain why we added this minus. So it will be minus len bracket sine x plus cosine x plus c plus c. Okay, we are not thinking of time. Time is running and we are not sure. Okay, the next question. The next question. See the next question. The next question, what is the differentiation of this? Again and again. The differentiation of e to the power of 2x is, what is the differentiation of this? It is e itself by 2. So I still need 2 here, right? I still need 2 up, but I have to add this. I have to add half before it, right? Now it's ready. This is f dash, and this is f. Okay, it will be half len. What is the f? It is e to x plus 1 plus c. That's it. That's it. Okay, the next question. The next question of how can we do that? When you see any question that has fraction like this, think of f dash over f. This is your first thinking. You have to stand, but see the trick here. I can write that like 2x over x to the power of 4 minus 6x squared plus 9. Can't I write it as x squared minus 3 all squared? Can't I do that?
Yes.
Yes, I can. Because if you used smiley face to open this, what will we have? It will be x to the power of 4 minus x squared by 2 by 3. It will be 6x squared. And minus 3 by minus 3 is plus 9. Right? So it is the same as this. You understand? So, as you can see, this is f dash. But is this all f? It's not. One more step. One more step. See, if I do it, 2x, okay, bracket, x squared minus 3 to the power of minus 2 dx. Now, what do we have? We have f to the power of negative 2 and f dash. What is the answer of that? What is the answer of that? It is f to the power of minus 1 over minus 1. Right? According to the second rule. What is the second rule? This one. Are you with me?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, good. Equal. It will be minus 1 over f which is x squared minus 3 plus c. That's it. That's it. What do I want to say here? Whenever you have function and its differentiation, function and its differentiation, okay, you directly think of rule number 1 or rule number 2. Okay, if it is that way, function and its differentiation, and you can think. Sometimes you have to add numbers, sometimes you have to take number out. And we try to do many techniques. Sometimes we have only to add minus without number. Sometimes you have to factorize, like question number 12. But if you see the question in front of you, this is a question and its differentiation. I mean, a function and its differentiation. Whenever you see something like that, خلاص, you think of rule number 1 and rule number 2. Okay? Now I need you to go to question number 13. Question number 13, there is a difference here. There is really important difference which I need you to be aware of. See question number 13. Isn't this the differentiation of this?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, this is the differentiation of this. But we have a problem. We have sine. We have sine. Okay, what's wrong with sine? What's wrong with sine? Okay, here it's not function and its differentiation. It is sine function. It is sine f and f dash next to it. Right? How can I do that? I will use new method that has a special name. It is the title of this lesson. Okay, you see this? Integration by substitution. By substitution. And I want you to focus the most. To stay with me strongly. Okay, I will show you how to do that. See, say let u equal x to the power of 4. Okay, u equals x to the power of 4. What if I find du over dx? I will differentiate. It is 4x3, right? Okay, now make dx the subject. How can we make it the subject? By taking it out up and 4x3 down. So dx is going to be du over 4x3. Okay? Okay. Now, substitute. That's why we called it substitution. Substitute this and this in the original question. In the original integration. So I will say integration I equal integration. Leave 4x3. Don't touch it. Dot sine. And instead of writing x4, write u. Okay? Sine u. dx will be written as du over 4x3. Right? You understand how did I substitute?
Yeah.
Okay, now this will be cancelled with this. What still I have now? It is integration of sine u du. Can't you do this? It is really easy. What is the integration of sine? See, everything has been disappeared now. Minus cosine. Now substitute, instead of writing u, write x4. So the question will be written in terms of x plus c. That is the answer. We will discuss